Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today? My name is Miles Williams and today we will be instructing of how to do a basic power clean. So today we're going to be doing the top down method instead of the bottom up method because it will be easier for the patient to do it as such. So the first thing that we want to instruct for the power clean is the standing position. So the standing position starts off with the patient fully extending his elbows straight out in front of him and then bringing the bar up to his mid thigh, okay? And next, he's going to be retracting his shoulders backwards and also depressing his shoulders, kind of like a chest bump in a sense. So he wants to be in that position for the standing position. Next is going to be the transition to the pull. So what he wants to do is slightly bend his knees and then also slightly flex his hips so that his butt is pointing back so that he could get ready for the pull. So the next step is actually the pull. So what he's going to do is just bring the bar up as he's going, and he's going to thrust his hips all the way up and up to his neck so that he'll land in the position where his elbows are actually upward and his wrists are also extended downward. The reason why we want him to do this is so that he will have less pressure on his wrists and also that a lot of the weight can be transitioned to the knees so that he can land perfectly and land in a safe manner. So the last step to this phase is that the actual let go or like putting down of the weight. So you can do this one or two ways. So the first way that you can actually let go of the weight is that you can slightly depress your elbows backward and lower your wrists a little bit downward back to the mid-thigh position. And then you could just slightly put it down and then lower the bar. The other way to do it is that if you are experiencing too much weight on the bar and you have a little bit too much to handle, what you can do is do the exact same thing. Keep the elbows back, lower the wrist, and then drop it. But as you're dropping it, step away so that you won't be able to injure yourself during this process. So with all those steps included, that is how you do a basic power clean.